Hello and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. ICPC probes disbursement of student loan. FA bans transgenders from women's football. And now full details of the news. The Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission has commenced an investigation into inconsistencies in the disbursements of the student loan, saying 71 billion naira has been unaccounted for in the scheme. ICPC's move comes after reports that some institutions were involved in illegal deductions and exploitations related to the students' loan scheme under the Nigerian Education Loan Fund. The schools were alleged to have made illegal deductions ranging from 3,500 naira to 30,000 naira from each student's institutional fees obtained via NER funds, prompting ICPC to begin an investigation into the matter. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission said it has traced funds linked to the failed crypto bridge exchange scheme to at least 4 countries. EFCC Chairman Ola Olukoyede said although efforts are underway to recover the stolen funds, full restitution to victims may be impossible. Olukoyede said several accounts have been blocked and funds frozen, although the amounts cannot be disclosed yet. He said most of the transactions were conducted in cryptocurrency and routed through wallets beyond Nigeria's jurisdiction. And now we dive into the world of sports. Transgender women have been banned from playing women's football in England after the Football Association changed their policy in the wake of the Supreme Court ruling in April. The ban will be implemented from the first day of June. Transgender women are currently allowed to play women's football if they complete a form and send it to the FA as long as the eligibility criteria are met. But the FA have decided to reassess their policies after the Supreme Court ruled that the legal definition of a woman is based on biological sex. The FA have called the matter a complex subject and have insisted they are contacting registered transgenders women to help them stay involved in the game. Up next is the entertainment news. Famous Nigerian actress turned politician Funke Akindele has revealed her political plans following a previous unsuccessful attempt. Recall that the actress was the running mate to Abdulaziz Aderiran, the Lagos State governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in 2023. Following their defeat by Babajide Sanwo-Olu of the All Progressive Congress (APC), Funke Akindele took to her social media page to delete all political-related posts. However, responding to her loss, the actress, who had remained silent on political matters since 2023, announced plans to contest again. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Also, to get the latest news, visit our website on www.procyonnews.com. You can also follow us on all social media platforms at our unified handle at Procyon RTV. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.